Once we have some contact data loaded into our CRM, we can now add companies and link our contacts to the companies that they belong to. In the navigation, click CRM and Companies. I'll add this one to the bookmarks as well. Let's do the same thing as we did with our contacts, by first adding one company manually, then the rest with an import. Click Create Company, and I'll set up myself. For now, I'll just add the required fields for the new company, which are company domain name and company name. Then I'll click Create. While this record is pretty empty, what's interesting are the associations that we can make between contact and company objects. To add associated contacts, you can click the Add button here. And Ryan, Jake, and Emma are my contacts at Brightside Creative. I'll click Save. Now these contacts show as associated contacts. And if I scroll down and click View Associated Contacts, our contacts are filtered down to just the associated contacts under the advanced filters. And if we edit filters and click on Group 1, you can see how that filter was built. Let's close this and use an import to add the rest of our companies. Click Import, import a file again, and start import. I'm going to select companies and contacts this time so that we can create the companies and the contact associations. Click Next. I'm still going to use a single file, but this time I've added my company and company domain name data to my contact import sheet. I'll select that new file. I'll make sure that I've selected to create and update both companies and contacts, then I'll click Next. As I review the property mapping, I want to make one change, and that is to map company from my sheet to company properties instead of contact properties. And I want that to come over as company name. Then I'll click Next. I'll agree like I did before and click Finish Import. This summary is a good check to make sure that we did what we intended to do with that import. So my 10 rows were imported as I expected. The 2 new records here represent the 2 new companies that were created. 11 records are updated because 10 of them were the existing contacts, plus the 1 existing company. And then remember, we already made 3 contact company associations manually, so 7 of our 10 contacts still needed to be associated. Let's click View Imported Records, and then View Companies to double check. Now, ideally, you would have more of the company properties filled out on your import. For example, you can fill in some of the missing ones right from this table view. Let's open up Apex to check the associations, and here are the new contact associations that we would expect. If we open one of these contacts, we should also see a company association, which we do.